Ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders, today is Sunday, 7th of March 2021. The time is 6:28 p.m. Welcome to our Bbma weekly analysis for the trading week of 8 to 12 of March 2021. Let's get started. Okay, we will review our Bbma Setup Sop first. We trade with 4 time frame, weekly, daily H4 and H1. Our entry and exit will be on H4, which set TP and SL for our trade, and we use single entry for each of the setup. We only use 1% of the account for each trade, and if we have setup, we only let 5 pair running at the same time. We also use trading view for our automation. As you can see later, we set alert to wait for the setup. Okay, let's look at last week trade performance. For the last week, okay, sorry, this is I need to change the date. Today is 7th of March, and this one is the okay, this one 28th February. So for last week trade performance, our account growth was plus 1.38%. We have 2 trade, both we take profit on Gbp Usd and also Nzd Usd. Okay, let's look at this week trade setup. Alright, we start with trading, looking at the DXY currency index. This will give us a rough idea on where the movement gonna be for USD currency pair. As you can see, for multiple weeks, USD has been rather weak, and this week we're looking for re-entry sell setup, as you can see here. And on daily time frame, last week on Friday is NFP and USD make a CSM buy, so our sell setup is not ready. However, on H4 we can see it start to make a MHV sell, and H1 you can see more MHV is formed. So for that, what we want to do is we create alert using our custom indicator, this one, CSM sell at H4, and make sure it's below EMA 50. Okay, so that's one alert. It will appear here. Okay, there you go. Okay, for the next currency pair is Euro USD. In weekly time frame, Euro USD last week make a big bearish candle, as you can see here. However, this bearish candle is most likely part of just a pullback of the bigger bullish move. So this is a entry buy setup for us, and as you can see here, EMA 50 is below the current price. On daily time frame, Friday, Euro USD make a CSM sell. It open and close outside the Bollinger Band, and on H4 it start to make a MHV buy over here. Okay, and to make our buy setup valid, this kind of have to close above the top BB over here. So you're gonna set alert for that as well. Euro USD, our custom indicator, sorry, CSM buy, and make sure it's above EMA 50. Okay, so that's for Euro USD. Next pair is AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, as you can see here, start with weekly, is currently at re-entry buy setup. This is a classic buy setup, and on D1, price actually close below the EMA 50 but reject the low BB. So it's a buy setup, but we have to be careful because as you can see here, currently price is making extreme buy on H4. So we want to wait for the price to go up to make CSM buy, make a pullback. That's where our entry to continue to go up. So set an alert as well, CSM buy, EMA 50. Oh, sorry, typo. Alright, next pair USD Jpy. For USD Jpy on weekly time frame, we can see that you also make a CSM buy candle. However, this is our sell setup, re-entry sell. We look for sell. On daily, we make a CSM buy, which actually open and close outside the Bollinger Band. So what we want to look for is on H4 for price to go down, close below the low BB, make a pullback, then we take the continuation to go down. So our entry will be around this area. Okay, so set alert for this to happen. CSM sell. Right, simple thread plane. Next one, Gbp Usd. Okay, Gbp Usd on weekly time frame. As you can see here, price bullish and make a big rejection here. This is still our re-entry buy setup because it actually closed closer to the MA 510 low. So re-entry buy on daily time frame now is CSAK sell, right? And on H4 making a extreme buy. Okay, so this setup is not ready as well, but that's okay because we're gonna wait for this to happen. We've been trading this setup for almost 2 years now. Okay, CSM buy at H4 and EMA 50. Okay, next pair, USD CAD. USD CAD, we start with weekly. Okay, weekly, what we can see here is a re-entry sell because EMA is above, price is here, and actually it go near the MA 510 high and reject it down. So this is a re-entry sell setup. On daily, we can see price has make a re-entry sell, big rejection here. On H4, this is extreme sell, this is TPW sell. So what we want to do is we want to wait for this to close below, come back and continue to go down. Right, so set the alert for CSM sell. Okay, right, next pair USD CHF. Okay, for USD CHF, starting with weekly time frame, we can see there is a okay, let me just clear this drawing. Okay, as you can see here, price is making a big bullish candle that closed above the EMA EMA 50. However, this is our sell setup. The sell might happen or not. This depend on the lower time frame. So let's look at the daily. So on daily is a CSM buy, and on H4 is MHV sell. So for this one, also we want it to close below here, make a pullback, then we take the continuation down. So this is a confirmation type of trade. Okay, so set alert, CSM sell at H4 and below EMA 50. Okay, last pair for this week, Nzd Usd. For Nzd USD, let me clear this as well. Nzd USD weekly time frame is re-entry buy because price is sitting at the MA 510 low, and then on daily we can see that price actually reject the low Bollinger Band after it make an extreme sell. So we want to go for a buy, but we have to be careful because this might continue to fall down. So we go to lower time frame H4. On H4 we can see MHV buy, but it's not ready for buy. Wait for it to make a momentum buy, make a pullback, then we take the continuation up. Okay, for that also we need to set alert CES and buy at H4, and we want to see it's above EMA 50. Okay, so that's it for our trading analysis this week. Very simple. We have altogether 8 alerts set here. So if you need this kind of alert, you need to have pro version of TradingView. You don't have to be pro plus, it's just pro. You can get a discount for TradingView once in a while, but if you want to trade with our methodology, the indicator is free, it's available if you search, and you need the pro TradingView to set this many alert. Okay, so just a recap, here's our trade plan for this week. We don't have any instant entry. We all the pair is waiting for alert to happen, so we're gonna sit and relax and wait for alert, then we look at the chart for the entry. Okay, so that's it for this week. I wish you profitable week, trading week next week, and till we meet again next week. Bye bye.